Hello everyone, welcome back to MuleSoft-TechZone. This is Lingam, and you are in the final part of Become an Agent Blazor Innovator. So far if you click on Show Completed, we have completed all the challenges, and now we are in the last stage, like Sell Smarter with say Agentforce. Now that we have created the prompt templates, like we edited prompt builders, then we have done like Agentforce for service. Now our product is ready, right? The next step is like to sell them, right? So like here's where like sales representatives comes into pictures, and as usual, like in our video, we are going to concentrate only on the like the projects and not the modules. So please go through each module, and whenever you see like YouTube video here, once you complete, just click on like mark as completed here. And I have completed this with my other account, so I just clicked on mark as completed and go to each module. Please go through each of the modules here. It's good to know like what happens, and then uh, uh, complete your quiz. Okay, so now going back, and after doing everything, like we have a couple of videos and other modules, the last thing is like the project. Now before going to the project, if you are like if you're new here, like if you're watching this for the first time, I would like you guys to go through all my give me 1 second while I drag this. So you have to go to the MuleSoft-TechZone video YouTube channel, and you can see, let me quickly drag here from the other screen. So let me stop it. So what you can do is like go to my channel, and I have created a series of playlists for, you can see like Agent Force for Service Badge Unit, Agent Force Champion, Agent Blazor Innovator, Agent Force. So Agent Force has all the videos for both Champion and Innovator, and I have individual playlists as well. So please go through them, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe so that you will get the latest notifications whenever we release the video. And we are one step away to become Agent Blazor Innovator, and that is the next level batch so far and the highest batch so far. So let us go quickly to each project. And whenever you see like project, if it is not a super badge unit, you will have a clear instructions like step by step. But whenever it's a super badge unit, you will have business requirement, and you have to understand the requirements and then get started. Now we are going to create a new playground. Again, click on launch. You know you know what needs to be done. First you need to create, like click on launch and scroll all the way down. Okay, it says like your Agent Force playground is ready, so you don't have to do anything, but please make sure that it expires. It's saying like it expires from like 3 days now. Okay, please complete all your challenges within those 4 days. Remember, like we have created a new username with a special configuration for Agentforce for service, so please try to complete everything in like 4 days. All right, again go through each of the instructions step by step. I'm directly going into enable Agentforce sales quit. So then click on the settings icon. I'll just close it here. Click on the settings icon here. There is a Salesforce Go page. Earlier we used to go to setup, but you have to go to Salesforce Go page now. Move it to the left side for better experience. This opens up the page. Alternatively, you can go to setup, and quick find you can go to Salesforce Go. All right, in the home, in the setup, so we have to go to like get started with Agentforce setup. So if you go here, if you scroll down, there will be like setup option. I think this one, let's see. So home, so just close all the pop-ups. So I don't see here. So what you need to do is like probably you need to, so scroll down, get started with Agentforce section, and click on setup. So get started with Agentforce. So under initial state setup, okay, get started. So here, okay, we have like Agentforce for sales and Agentforce for service. Okay, here we are going to click on Agentforce for sales, because here we are going to concentrate on Agentforce for sales. We have done like for Agentforce for service, but click on keep going. There is like setup, but here I am like having like keep going. Click on turn on Agentforce, which is already on for me. See, that is the reason I'm saying like there might be a small change. I haven't done anything before, but you can see like the difference. Here we had like In the instructions tab, it is saying like click on setup. So the instructions keeps changing for better experience. So let me see. Okay, keep going. My turn on Agentforce is on here. Then what needs to be done? Click on confirm. Here I am not using anything, so maybe, oops, there's nothing here to do. Okay, Agentforce sales coach. Okay, toggle on that. Agentforce sales coach, let me toggle this, and now you are getting this option called confirm. So there is a bit difference in the instructions and the screenshots. Please make sure that you understand, try to understand. So I'm toggling this button like Agentforce sales coach. I have turned on and clicked on confirm, and this, it might take few minutes. For me it is like immediately activated, but it might take for you to do that. And once enabled, the setup steps you need to complete become available as shown in one of the four required steps. Turning the agent on is now completed. The agent is now enabled to for ready. Like you can see, refresh and see if it is turned on, it is ready. All right. Now grant users access to sales coaching from Agentforce sales coach setup area. Click on manage. Okay. In the manage user section action. So let me go click quickly here. For me, I don't see like manage or anything as such. It shows like manage user access here. Let me expand. So here it is, like you need to expand this icon here, and then you will see like manage user access. Click on manage. Now go back and under the management sales coach tab, click the recently viewed and all users, and locate your name and checkbox. So all, click on all users. So I have only like few, so 12 items. So this is my name, MuleSoft-TechZone is my name. In your case it will be like your actual name. So click on that, select that, and click assign. So assign, not done, you have to click assign. Okay, so now you have like one assigned agent. You can see like how many are available and how many are assigned here. So once it is done, click on done now. So make sure you are clicking assign and then click on done. You should see now a checkbox marked in the, yep, it is done. The checkbox is done. So this is more of a configuration setup. All right, now add agents for sales coaching to opportunity pages. So basically for sales folks, the page that they use, like the page that they work on is like opportunity page. Okay, that's where like they do the stuff. So what we need to do is, now that you have write the permission, navigate back to the Agentforce sales coach. So here or here, navigate back is like here. So go to Salesforce Go. I think that's the page it is asking. Yeah, so I am here. If not, like you can click on setup and go to Salesforce Go. Let me refresh it. So it is taking time somehow. My internet might be poor, but yeah. So let me refresh the page, close this. Cool. I am still waiting for that to pop up, but what you need to do is like go to Salesforce, click down the agent source to expand the section, and in the add components fields and this one, click manage. So let me go back to this. So probably you might see this issue as well, like my page is like really slow. It's not the I thought like it's an internet issue, but it's not. It could be like many folks will be like using this free developer account, so don't worry. Let me stop. Sorry to interrupt. So let me refresh it again and check. Yep, so here we are again, like now sales coach, expand it. So now the second step is like go here. I think that's what they are asking. Click on, so click manage. So I will just uncheck this. I'm not doing this check. Let me uncheck and click on manage now. So here we are in, and click on open in app builder next to the opportunity default option. So default option, not the lightning console, but the default option, open in the app builder. While I move this on to my left side, it is opening the app builder now. And then you have to scroll down to the right if you don't see it. Lightning app builder opens in a new tab. There is where you need to edit the opportunity record page layout. Okay, from the components panel, drag and drop Agentforce sales coach to just above the related list section. So first we need to check. So this is the opportunity page. We are in the lightning app builder. We are editing this. Close all the pop-ups. See where your related list is. So related lists are here. Okay, it's this the place. And what you need to do is you need to just add above the related list. What you need to add, go to components, search for Agentforce sales coach here, drag and put it above related lists here. Okay, now you have your component here available. And then what we need to do is click on save and then activate. Save. And now it is asking to whether we need to activate or not. So let me click on activate. The instructions are very clear. Next, assign as an org default. So assign as org default. Okay, and then let me go next and save. So click on next and save. All right, so we are good here. Once you are back, done, click on done or like save maybe. And then what we need to do is like refresh the page. Okay, once you're back to the setup, so we have to do you are finished with the tab, so you can close the I'll close this and click on done here. So instructions are very clear. Love that. Refresh it. That's what they asked us to do. And if you see, expand it. Okay, and if you go back, manually check the box to mark this step to complete. Okay, I am manually adding this check mark to mark it as complete. So we are done with 3 out of 4 steps here. And you will now successfully you have now successfully added the coach app, you know, the Agentforce sales coach into your opportunity page layout and like your workspace for practicing the sales pitches. The last step is in the process is actually to build an agent by clicking go to Agentforce builder link and complete the customization. Okay, so let's see what we need to do here. So we are going to create a sales coach user first. Okay, in the quick find, go to users. Quick find is here, not this one is app launcher and this is quick find, people who are new to Salesforce. Okay, search for users, go to users, and then we need to create a new user. So let me copy while that page is loading. So down here there is new user. I think the look and feel of this setup page should be changed, but yeah, first name is sales coach, last name is agent. All right, what is next? Alias will auto populate. Address is like your email address, so it's like shravanlingam.mulesoft-TechZone. Please don't spam with me for the from the email, you know, emails with the emails. And then username is like scoach, your initials and today's date and favorite color at the rate. Oh my god, there is a lot of stuff. So username, what I would like to do is, what did they say, like scoach plus your initials. So initials are like MT, MuleSoft-TechZone, and then today's date, so it's like July 24 2025, and then favorite color. You don't have to do like, you know, all this stuff, but it's good to have like proper username so that it is not conflicting with anything. So my favorite color, I don't have anything specific, but let me go with go green, and then at the rate the sc.com. Okay, that is mandatory. Okay, so let me remove all the spaces here. This is done. Username, and the username must be unique. That's the reason we had to do all this stuff. All right, nickname will auto populate and company is like Acme. Nickname auto populated and company is Acme, and user license is Einstein agent, this one, and profile is Einstein agent user. So that's it. So click on save, make sure that your username is unique. So click on save, and then once you have done, scroll down to the permission set assignments and click on edit assignment. So scroll down, permission set assignments here, and then click on edit assignment. We have many stuff here, but this is the one, actual one, permission set assignment. Click on edit assignments, and then move Agentforce sales coach from available permission to the enabled permission. So this one, Agentforce sales coach, please add it here and click on save. That's it. Very simple for the save. For this project, click on verify step to earn 100 points, and we are just one step away to become Agent Blazer innovator. All right. So please read through the instructions very carefully and go through all the modules to complete all the tasks. Only once you complete all the tasks, you will be able to become a Agent Blazer innovator. Oops, it says we can't find the use sales coach agent permission set assigned. There is something I am missing here. So what we need to do, let me quickly go to Salesforce Go, then go back, keep going, and go to expand this and manage user access, or manage this one. I think we have done this part. Let me close this. I think it's manage user access. So this is the one we need to check, assigned ones, and click on all. I think we need to what did they ask us to do? Click assign. So click the use agent sales coach tab here. This is a step that I missed. I know now why it kicked in. And all users, and select with the your name and click on assign. So go to all users and go to my name, click on assign. So this is the step that I forgot. So I have done manage Agentforce sales coach, and I forgot to add this use Agentforce sales coach part. So please check on this. So click on done, and I think this should be it. So if I scroll down, click on verify step. That's why read each and every instruction very carefully. No problem whenever you are getting error. So yep, so that is a small mistake that I have done, so please ignore that one. And yep, let's go to the next step and see what it is. I think I will make another video for this particular project, and that would be our last one. So see you in our next video.